Alright, number 26. We have two equations. 5x plus 7y is equal to 1. And another linear equation, ax plus by is equal to 1. In the given pair of equations, a and b are constant. The graph of this pair of equations in the xy plane is a pair of perpendicular lines. It's the keyword, pair of perpendicular lines. Okay, so if you have a line like this, you have a perpendicular line giving 90 degrees. Now, one connection you can make from your math knowledge is that if you have a slope of, let's say you have like a 2/3, and the perpendicular slope is always negative reciprocal. Okay, the word negative means you are putting a negative sign. So if you're given negative 2/3, it's a negative of negative 2/3. So be careful on that. And then you're gonna have to flip it, and that's what the reciprocal means. Okay, so now we have some background info. Let's march on. So which of the following pair of equations also represent a pair of perpendicular lines? Now the challenge of this question is that they have this a and b, and everything is standard form. Okay. I think when I taught students in like AMC, like Math Olympiad, I think I taught them negative a over b to be the shortcut. But no worry, okay? Let's do this classic way. So we have 5x plus 7y. Okay, I'm gonna actually push this to the left. 5x plus 7y is equal to 1. And let's get something, let's convert it to something you are familiar, the slope-intercept form. So when I subtract 5x on both sides, my goal is to write this y equals mx plus b. So the goal is to leave or isolate the variable y on one side of the equation. So when you subtract it, you get 7y is 1 minus 5x. And then when you divide both sides by 7, you get y is equal to negative 5 over 7x plus 1 over 7. Okay, I hope everyone got this so far. Now if you match with the y equals mx plus b, y equals mx plus b, m is equal to negative 5 over 7. Okay. Now the other equation is a perpendicular. So for now, let's do the same method. Ax plus by is equal to 1. Let's isolate the variable y. Subtract ax on both sides. Cancel that. By is equal to 1 minus ax. And then divide both sides by b. Then you get y is equal to negative ax over b plus 1 over b. Okay, I just switched the order using a commutative property of addition, and then 1 over b as a y-intercept. Okay, so slope is negative a over b right here. This will be the slope. Y equals mx plus. Now we have b here, but that's like a constant. Okay, it happens to be have to be repeated here, but the y-intercept is not important in this question because it's about slope here, perpendicular slope, and how it can fit in one of our answer choices. So the slope is negative a over b, but so far we haven't applied the negative reciprocal or the perpendicular yet. So it doesn't matter which one you choose. If you call this reciprocal equation, then we should just keep the way it is, negative a over b. Now want to find the perpendicular slope, negative reciprocate 7 over 5, and that becomes 7 over 5. This is already reciprocal, so we can set these equal to each other. When you have negative a over b equals 7 over 5, we can say just a over b equals negative 7 over 5 by multiplying negative 1 on both sides. Alright, so far we got this, so I'm gonna kind of circle, let's use a different shape. Okay, I'm gonna just box this for now. It's not the answer yet. We're gonna use this relationship into one of our equations by plugging in and see the negative reciprocal relationship in their slope. So starting with choice A said we have a 10x plus 7y is equal to 1, and we have ax minus 2by is equal to 1. Let's just rearrange it. 7y equals 1 minus 10x, and y is equal to negative 10x over 7 plus 1 over 7. I kind of skip a step here, guys, but you should know how to do this by now. The slope equals negative 10 over 7. Okay. Now, if you look at answer choices, A, B, C all have the same top equation. If A, B, C all don't work, then we're gonna try D here. Or if none of work, you can. If you're running out of time, just choose D. Okay. If you're running out of time. If not, you can apply the same method as we do in A through C. All right. So we got negative 10 over 7, and let's rearrange this too. So let's say this is a reciprocal again. Reciprocal of the equation 10x plus 7y equals 1. Reciprocal. Okay, so we got negative 2by is equal to 1 minus ax, and divide both sides by negative 2b. Then you get y is equal to negative ax over negative 2b plus 1 over negative 2b. Oh, you can see it. Alright, so that's what you get here. And you get y is equal to a over 2bx, and that's your slope. Okay. Are they reciprocal to each other? Well, let's find out. When you plug it in negative 7 over 5 where a over b is, okay, you can also replace negative 7 over 5 here, times 1/2. This is supposedly the perpendicular slope to the m on the left column. We're gonna get negative 7 over 10. Now this is not correct because this is negative 10 over 7, and negative reciprocal of that would be 7 over 10. So we're looking for 7 over 10 for this. It's negative 7 over 10, so it doesn't work. How about next one? Again, so for choice B, the left column is not any different from the choice A. So we got that. So we just need to work on the second equation here. We have 2by is equal to 1 minus ax. Y is equal to negative ax over 2b plus 1 over 2b. Alright, so supposedly, because these two columns or these two equations are perpendicular to each other, or they are linear perpendicular, we're supposed to get 7 over 10. Okay, so slope is this part, excluding the x. We said a over b equals, what did we say earlier? A over b equals negative 7 over 5. Okay, so I'm gonna just make it red here. A over b, negative 7 over 5, 1 over 2. Negative times negative is positive, so we do get 7 over 10. And guess what? The top equation here worked. Okay, these are related. So by plugging in a over b, we got from the top equation their ratio, and we get 7 over 10 because negative times negative is positive. We have 10, and you can now confirm that these two are perpendicular. Okay, this is a perpendicular sign you learn in geometry. Perpendicular. Okay, so I kind of went over it very thoroughly, but of course when you solve this question, you just gotta speed up, and of course you don't need to explain to anyone else on the test. So the answer to 26 is B. Okay. Alright, thank you for watching everyone. Have a great day.